Experiencing a key fob not detected error in your Jeep Renegade? It's a common issue, especially in 2014-2020 models. This problem usually boils down to three main culprits: a dead key fob battery, a faulty RF hub, or antenna issues. Replace the CR2032 battery, ensuring correct orientation during reassembly. The RF hub authenticates the key fob signal, and faults can arise from corrosion, overheating, or manufacturing defects. Less frequently, antenna problems can block the signal. These antennas can be damaged by water or wiring faults. To prevent these problems, avoid exposing your key fob to moisture and store it away from metal objects. If a new battery doesn't resolve the key fob issue, check if your Jeep Renegade is covered under Stellantis's recall programs for RF hub problems, especially for 2014-2020 models. Many owners have received free RF hub replacements through these programs. If your vehicle isn't covered, have the RF hub professionally checked. Due to the complexity of programming, dealership service is generally recommended for RF hub issues. However, aftermarket RF hubs are available as a more affordable alternative to original equipment manufacturer parts. Looking ahead, Stellantis is integrating advanced keyless systems in 2023 and newer models, featuring Uconnect 5 with digital key support that reduces dependence on physical key fobs. By 2030, widespread adoption of digital keys through smartphones using NFC and Bluetooth technology could make RF hubs obsolete, significantly reducing these types of issues.